Bali ka na.
Joel, walang intinit.
Tagal na rin itong dinaakyat ah. Brayman 2.0 part 2 ng Brayman. Ngayon medyo madami na siguro. Malalim na. Balik kami. Pero pwede rin dyan.
Sabay din na ako yun, isa na nag-gold away din.
Oo nga. Nandyan o. Naglag. Bumaba na. Ang bira. Oh, dito rin. Dito rin. Grabe itong mga ito, bumaba no?
Fuck me, I'm looking in the mirror, so foggy, but I've never seen clearer. I don't really think anyone can save me, and honestly I'm not really sure I want saving. I like to be my own worst enemy. There's no risk if you don't try at anything, so I'ma just keep buying everything. See you in the next life, have to be a better me. I don't think that my head's on straight, gotta flip it and grip it and go and get an x-ray. What's wrong with me? I just feel weight pushing on my chest and it squeezes till I suffocate. Better change my mindset, meditate. It's pretty cool that I'm alive and have better days. I could walk, see, hear, I should celebrate. Think I could change my mind, maybe elevate. Living life, every day, late at night, not okay. All I want, and I pray, all I need are some better days. Yeah, all I need are some better days. Cause all I want, and I pray, I believe in the better days. Kinda stuck between a rock and a hard place. Do I work hard or live at my pace? You're only young once, yeah that's all great, but I also want a future where I'm okay. Living life is doing lots of cocaine. Wait no, it's living with no shame. Wait no, it's sleeping in on Sundays. I guess it's different for each of us and that's okay. Well I just wanna be happy, how to get there? Glad that you asked me. I think it's different for everyone. Some of us need work, others need fun. Some of us need purpose to overcome. But try to do what you love when it's said and done. Cause there's so many differences in each of us. Trust your gut, it can show you what you want. Living life, every day, late at night, not okay. All I want, and I pray, all I need are some better days. Yeah, all I need are some better days. Cause all I want, and I pray, I believe in the better days. Living life, every day, late at night, not okay. All I want, and I pray, all I need are some better days. Yeah, all I need are some better days. Cause all I want, and I pray, I believe in the better days.
Ah, Mersal na to. Mersal na to. Sexy mountain na yan eh. May dato sa atin, di ba? Ang tinatawag na Twin Peak. Brayman, Falcon, tapos Twin Peak. Tatlong ahon. Tatlong ganito. Grabe. Pangalawang peak na to. Oh! Andiyan na! Ay, dito, papunta Mersal dun eh.
Mersal pa yun, oo.
Oo.
Ito, di po na ako eh.
Yung ako nasa tagos na nito. Limutan ko na rin, tagal na eh.
Andun, baba.
Hindi.
Hindi ako mainit, ewan ko lang makita dito.
Wala na.
Baka doon na
Mga daw yung tok-tok tayo, wala na. Mali ka na. Tagal na rin itong dinaakyat ah. Matagal na rin. Halos silang duwadaan no? Makinis pa ang daan. Baliktad tong ahon na to. Malakas yung gravity. Pangat. Woohoo! Yeah! Woohoo! Thank you po Lord. Narating din, success! Success, success. Yes. Ano?
Kasama sana kami sa inyo, kaso wala doon ang sasakyan namin eh.
Tara, ikot kayo, papunta ulit, balik ulit kayo sa ano.
Balik kayo?
Oo.
Sige, sige, ingat nila.
Balik na kami, ingat, ingat, ingat.
Reserve na lang ako, yung bike na gusto niya.
Ah, sige.
Tatlo yung pambenta ah.
Mahaba pa. Sige, ingat, ingat, bye-bye.
Make all the demons quiet, yeah. We were built to thrive, yeah. I think that we've all had enough. What keeps you up at night, yeah. Make all the demons quiet, yeah. We were built to thrive, yeah. I think that we've all had enough. Yeah, I think that we've all had enough. Sick of dealing with the old plan. They know that we're calling it wrong. You got me like, oh yeah, I think that we've all had enough. Sick of dealing with the old plan. They know that we're calling it wrong. Hey, it's too late to try to go contain it. A generation fueled by creation. We live lives on a small screen nation. We control the airwaves, no negotiation. I quiet, yeah. We were built to thrive, yeah. I think that we've all had enough. What keeps you up at night, yeah. Make all the demons quiet, yeah. We were built to thrive, yeah.
Preno, kagat-kagat lang, may slide. Ano ba si Edward? Ayaw magbitaw ng preno. Ginawa ng heritage, no? Wala na to, dadami yung ano dito. Mga magja-jogging, babike. Heritage ang lugar na to, Pastolan ng mga tupa. Sa kabila meron din sila, bundok, disyerto sila ng alaga. Dahani mo muna. Buti na lang malamig. Ilang oras na, nasa kalsada ka pa. Lakas pa ng hangin. Grabe headwind, no?